tus amigas que andamos ready. Esto lo seguimos en el after party.
Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Hey, before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, y'all? On today's video, we're gonna do this beautiful purple glam look using some of my Hula Beauty palette and the Aaliyah Matte Collection palette. But before we get into the makeup, I just want to tell you a little bit about the little products I got. I purchased recently and I'm in love. So I was on Facebook the other day just, you know, checking out some beauty products, and I came along this product called Loretta Beauty. And I seen this liquid eyeshadow, and it was so freaking bomb. I follow this girl. She's her name is Candy Lover 89, and she always does live makeup every Mondays and Tuesdays. She does Spanish on Tuesdays and like Mondays English, something like that. But anyways, she was doing this beautiful makeup and she was using the Loretta products. So I clicked on the bio and I was looking at the products, and I'm like, I fell in love with a couple of eyeshadows, and I fell in love with one particular eyeshadow that she used on her tutorial, and it was the liquid eyeshadow, the one I have on today. It's so beautiful and it's so sparkly, right? Yes, girl. And it's this one right here, and this one is in the style Donatella. Girl, she is a beautiful. Like, I never, well, yeah, because I have owned Stella eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow before. But if you wanna be on a lower budget range, you can always check them out, the Laura Cosmetics. These liquid eyeshadow, they were only like 12 bucks. And I know the let me see if I have it here, the Stella liquid eyeshadow, they're pretty pricey, but girl, if you're on a budget, get you some Loretta products, and they work just as well. So I'll find that's like a dupe. And guys, look at this. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but right here, girl, that is too beautiful. So I picked me up the style Donatella, and I got me the, which one is this one? Glory. This one is like more, let me show you. They look similar, but like this one is like more rose gold. The Glory is like more rose gold, and the Donatella is like a more goldish type of look. But they're both beautiful and I love them. I'm glad I hopped on the Donatella wagon. Girl, what you talking about? I'm glad I jumped on the Loretta product because they're bomb. They also got some more products on their website. They're pretty bomb, but I only picked these two for eyeshadow, and I also got me a lippy. And I got me this one. It's a matte lipstick. It's very beautiful. Yes, girl. And this one is in the style Babe, and this is how she look like. It's so pretty and it's so pigmented, and like it's so matte that it won't wipe off. Like you have to literally have to scrub. You know how many kisses I gave my goddaughter? I had wore this for her birthday lipstick, and I was just going in on her kisses, like, and the lipstick was still there. It was still there, honey. So I got me these 3 products from Loretta Cosmetics, and I also got a free gift. I got a little lippy here, and this one is in style Dare. So I'm in between Babe and Dare today with this look. So we'll see how that works. Oh, and I also picked up, I went to Target the other day and I picked up Pipsy Cosmetic lip gloss, and it got shimmer in it, and this is the style Candy, and I really like this. If you want to like have a natural look and then pair this up on your lips, like it will look so bomb and it will make your look come together so pretty. And this is how it looks like. Like, that is bomb. I really like it. But I'm gonna use this on another tutorial when I do like a natural beat face. I'm gonna put this on. So yeah guys, so moving on to the video. So if you guys want to see how I create a beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. So to prime my eyelids, I use the e.l.f. cosmetic, and this one is in the style Fair Warm. I always use this when I do, basically I use that on my videos, but if you want to get like a nice pop of colors using bright colors or whatever, you could use this intensive. It's like a white basically to me, but it's really good, and it like the eyeshadows grip onto the product really good, and it blends nice and smoothly. And another thing, I'm doing this makeup look because I'm excited because I got this beautiful purple wig. I just can't wait to try it out. And yes, I'm excited for it. I want to see how this wig gonna turn out, because girl, let me tell you, I had to pick it up. I went to the salon the other day with my girlfriend and my bestie, and this is what I like to do when I purchase wigs. I go to the beauty supply store, salon, wherever they sell wigs or whatever, and so, you know, I look around, see what's new, browsing through the aisles and everything, and I came across this beautiful bomb ass purple wig, and I'm like, yo, she's coming home with me. But I always take a picture of the of her name so I could look it up online. I usually shop at sansbeautywig.com. That's where I always get my wigs at. They always have sales. They got bomb ass wigs. They never disappoint me. That's where I always get my wigs. If you guys are interested in knowing, that's where I get my wigs. So I came across, I found her in Sam's Beauty, and she was everything. She looked the same as the one in the hair salon. And the only thing is that when you find them online, they're way cheaper than purchasing them on the store, like in the actual beauty supply store, salon, wherever you go to get your wigs. But yeah, so I took a picture of her at the salon, and I found her on my Sam's Beauty website, and she's right here. Yes, y'all, she is so gorgeous. She's like a ombre. She's like this beautiful purplish, and like she's not that, look at her, I don't think she's OD. Like, she's more subtle to me, but I don't care. I like to be dramatic. Look at the tips, like the bottom is like it's like this dark purple at the bottom, and it goes in like into this light purple, and like up here is like this lavender color. She is so pretty. I can't wait to put her on. She has so many colors. Oh. The website where I got her from, She comes in variety of colors. You can get her from a pink to a 1B through a blue, whatever color you desire, they have it. Right here, let me show you. They got a large selection of colors. And this style is very, very pretty. That purple, this one is called Purple Lavender. And they have a mint green, they got blue mix, they got light brown, oh, light rainbow, sorry. They got mustard, they got yellow, rose gold, orange, 1B, and 1. So if you guys are interested in this wig, pick her up at Sam's Beauty. Not only, you know, like I showed you, they got different type of styles in her. And girl, I take pride on my wigs. I love wearing wigs. I love the different looks and the looks it gives me. Like, I feel like I'm a totally different person. Honey, girl, baby girl. Yes, ma'am. I love my wigs. I rarely wear my own natural hair out because I'm like, I do when I'm at home, but when I go out, I love to wear wigs. Like, I get like in a different vibe. I feel like a different person. But yet still me, but still a different look. You feel me? I love transforming into this short bob or to this long straight hair, this beautiful curl type of vibe. Like, I love all type of hair. Yes, girl. That's me. I'm that girl. Anyways, back to the makeup. Well guys, let's complete this look. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel, because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes girl, I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.